Hi viewers, today we're looking at the SOUNDEX function, which returns a string from a text value or string value that sounds similar to it. I think this still needs a bit of work within MySQL Workbench because it seems to be throwing out some weird values, but I'll start by typing in select and then control spacebar and paging down to SOUNDEX. And within that I want to enter a 4-character text value and see what it comes out with. I'm going to end that with a batch terminator and run that and see what it comes out with. As you can see, for the value weight, it's come up with W300, which I'm not sure. Well, I know it doesn't sound like weight, and I'm not sure what the purpose of this function is within MySQL Workbench, but I think it still needs some work. That's a MySQL SOUNDEX function within MySQL Workbench.